It's your boy, Leggy Williams, back here with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a video of me playing outside. I'm here in the UK. In the UK, it's actually very dreary. Outside it's pretty sunny. So yeah, you guys, I got a new toy today. And I'm going to be shooting targets. It's like
You want me to hold it for you?
this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give it to me, because that's the last thing I'm sorry to tell you. It's for your ass to drop. Matter of fact, we're going to Five Below today. Just go ahead.
So yeah,
Okay, go ahead, Tay. I'm listening.
I'm going to be doing a video of me and playing with this. I'm going to be shooting my targets. So yeah. So let's do this. It's not to hold it in place. Target number 1. Here we go. Let's see where my skills are at. Dang, that's so close. Attempt number 2. Dang, I was so close again. Okay, here's attempt number 3. I'm going to be going up to attempt number 5, guys. Oh, that wasn't even close, you guys.
You thought. She met her man on Instagram. So go ahead.
The red one from a different angle. Going to be hitting it from right here. So let's do it. It was a little bit over. I need some smell to hold it in place. Here we go, attempt number 2.
You're supposed to go today. She what?
Okay, attempt number 3. Okay, you guys, so this is the end of the video. Comment down below if you want me to do more videos like this. So, you know what to do to share the love. Peace.